Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. This is Marston Junction on the Coventry Canal, and I'm just turning left here through that bridge and going on to the Ashby Canal. Now this video is a very short one because I set off early this morning at Hartshill. I boated all the way through Nuneaton, so what you're seeing now is really just the end of my trip, but because I'm moving on to a different canal, I wanted to start that as a new video. So here we go, this is the beginning of the Ashby Canal. It's just a short trip from Marston Junction here to just after Bridge 3. So here we are, let's have a look at the map. The trip start point is the yellow marker at the bottom left of the map, that's Marston Junction, and then the trip ends at the yellow marker close to the top right of the map. As you can see, it's a very small distance, but rest assured the next trip I do will be considerably longer. It's possible to moor here on the left. It's not an ideal sort of bank, but you can stop and you're within walking distance of Bedworth and the shops. If you're thinking of having a canal holiday and you don't want to work too hard at it, the Ashby Canal is a good choice. It's about 20 odd miles long, and it's a straight cruise all the way. No locks, no lift bridges. Very pleasant, very rural, and lovely in the summer. I've never been on this canal in the winter before, so I'm expecting quite a lot of mud. One thing to bear in mind though is that because this canal is so rural, is that once you get past Hinckley there are very few shops, so buying food and things like that can be difficult if you haven't got a bike. approaching Bridge 3 now, and as you can see there's Metal Armco there on the bank. It's very good mooring here. It's also good mooring just on the other side of Bridge 3, just a little bit farther past the bridge. One thing I should mention though is that just on the other side of Bridge 3 it's a bit noisier because we're quite close to the railway there, and it is a very busy line. You'll still hear the trains if you stop here, but they're not as loud. There's no mooring immediately after Bridge 3, but just up ahead there we've got more Armco. If you're looking for a convenience store, or perhaps a pub, then carry on and moor just before Bridge 5. There's some visitor moorings there, and there's a pub to the right of the bridge and a convenience store which is kind of hidden away, but not too far away from the canal. You'll need to look it up online. But for me, I think mooring here will be just fine for a few days. I've been boating for several hours now and getting a bit cold. I expect the cats will want to go out as well. The next trip will be considerably longer, so until then, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.